Okay, so good evening, guys. Today we'll just be talking on the brief of graphics design. Like, we are going to do a business flyer, a very simple business flyer, but the goal is to make it look unique. Yeah. So we head into our app, which is pixellab. This is our workspace, our normal workspace, and then this is project that we have made before, like designs that we have made before. Yeah, and then there are many displays, but to get a plain workspace like this, I think is the last by this side, which is this one. Once you click it, okay, before you start the design, what you need to do is you import your desired elements, be it shape, be it image, stock, or anything. So now we import our stock image, which is very important. We import our stock. I think we should use this one. Okay, this is our stock. So what you need, I think in this particular design, I want us to just use the stock and a shape. So now what we'll do is we apply our grid, which is we call the rule of grid, which is this. So once you turn it on like this, you set it here. Okay, firstly you increase your image. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. And something like this is okay, or reduce it a bit. Something like this is okay. So what you do is you lock the image here. So next thing you do from here is you cannot use this color on a white background because it looks a little weird. So what we'll do is we change the background. I'm not using a background this time, I'm just using purely color. So you come here, color, and then this, yeah, something like that. So now what we need to do next is we can still edit it, like you can come to gradient and then boom. Yeah. So what we'll do now is, okay, we'll import the shape we want to use. Here, shape. Oh, okay. We're avoiding the phone so that the phone don't get touched with the shape. So I think this setting is okay. Mind you, we have what we call 1 cm rule. We don't allow any of our design elements to go beyond 1 cm. That's why I'm setting the last rule so that it doesn't break the 1 cm rule. That's 1 centimeter rule. I think this is okay. So to get it all right together, we copy this. Yeah. We can shift it up. So next thing we'll do is the name of the data. Okay, let's see. Tarawa datas. Bring it here. We change the color first of all. Let's change it to white, and then we change the font. Changing it to black. Sorry. Okay, so since we are using a rule, you can either bring it to this side, which is like this, or you can do it like this. Or you can do it like this. Tarava datas, and you bring it to the other side, which is like this. And we have what we call the stroking. You can just on the stroking, change it to white. So it should be looking okay. Yeah, it must not always be used, but to some extent. So from here now, see that the design is at least getting a shape, so we still add another shape under. This shape we're adding under is for the purpose of either phone number or account number. Not really necessary in every design, but to some extent. So we lock it. Okay, now our data is ready. So now what we need to do is we type in our write-ups. Let me go copy the write-up from the sender. Okay, so now we'll paste the write-up. Just reduce the size very well, I think. Okay, so we are coming here to style. We bold it. I will change the color to black. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so we can also change the font. Change the font to that same font, but we can use a simpler font. Yeah, something like this. So it's not because I use a simple font then you are making a design and you add many fonts. You see that the fonts I use, I had a good font choice, which is font selection, to make the work look presentable. You go and use fonts that look anyhow, it will not look okay. So now what we'll do next is we add the contact. For the purpose of the class, let's just leave it like this. Yeah, change it to black. Okay, in this case now, we're still using the font we use for the name, which is stretch. reduce it and you bring it. The contact must not be very big, but it should be very visible to the eyes. Okay, something like this is okay. So what you do next is you lock it. So in this other shape, what we're putting there, it should be the price of, which is, let's say, MTN, Airtel, Glo, and my mobile. Okay, this is it. So we bring it here, reduce it, change the font. So I think this is just it. You can also change the color manually, which is MTN is red. Yeah. Sorry, MTN is yellow. MTN is yellow, but yeah, Airtel is red. Glo is green. This is just a manual way to achieve the goal. Writing it one, and then 9 mobile 2 is green. So we have fixed it. As you can see now, the design looks very presentable. So what you're writing in the other side is just the price using the same format. That's just it. Thank you for staying with us. Okay, here is the design. Like, let's remove the grid lines. Here is the result of our design.